Hello everyone, my name is Amarjit Gupta and today I am here to make my video. So let's start this talk. Today I am here to talk about MySQL. So the full form of MySQL is structured query language. And in MySQL we learn about SQL and NoSQL. The difference between NoSQL and SQL. In SQL, we stored, it is also a database, and we store our data in the form of row and table. And in NoSQL, there's different type, I mean, MongoDB. So in MongoDB, we store information, we store our data in the form of we make a collection, and I mean in database like MongoDB is a collection database. In MongoDB we form a database, and they have different type of collections, and each collections have number of document. So in SQL we store our data in the form of user, we have some user and their attributes. So we first in our database we can form different type of user, and each user have different attributes user, some students, they have name, first name, last name, middle name, their age, their student ID. So we store the name as a name, and it's the type, which type they belong, their category, which category they are forming. They are storing numbers like mobile number. Mobile number we store mobile number, and roll number we store numbers int. We can also store in the form of a string. We can make a combination of numbers and letters. So talking about SQL, there is a main category of CRUD operation. So you can create data, show data, insert data, update it, delete it. These are things, set of rules, common set of rules, and we need to we need to become a habitual, so that we can learn advanced MySQL. Because in MySQL, in different companies, I mean, even big companies are also using MySQL. MySQL is very, they have their own workbench also, from where we can update our data, update and check, and we can form a different kind of things. And in MySQL, in NoSQL, it has a it has we can store data in the form of object, and MongoDB is also very famous. As a backend engineer, database we need to understand, we need to learn, and we will form different type of we can resolve different type of query. So in MongoDB, how you can create, you can just use a DB database and use our database. If you are use database dot db dot collection and under square bracket we give naming of our collections. And if use collection, if we talk about in MongoDB, if you write database, my database or something, if you have don't have any database and you are saying use database, so it will create a new database if that database is not already available in your system. So all these things we need to learn so that we can learn easily. It is very helpful when we learn about Django. So this is a small video about NoSQL and SQL. And you can refer to W3 school so that you can learn the basic things of each topic and you will able to learn because they have described very well any in a simple way, so that by looking and by reading you will get idea what is it is saying and what we need to learn and do perform, which type of activity we need to perform. Thank you so much. This is all about this video.